guys, today I did this one brand full face. I used Wet n Wild today. I did this little peachy eye, and some of these were new to me, so you guys can get my thoughts on those and everything, but let's get started. So we're going to do a full face one brand today of just doing everything with Wet n Wild. So to start off, I'm going to use the PhotoFocus Matte Primer. Let's see what it says it can do. Lightweight formula, refines appearance of pores, smooth skin for even makeup application. So I'm going to compare it to my professional, obviously. That's a big opening for the product to come out. Okay. A lot of these I haven't used yet, so it'll be like some first impressions too, or whatever. This foundation, obviously, in this shade Soft Beige. Just gonna spatula this all over my face. It's starting to get warm out again, so maybe I'll start to like this foundation again. Just gonna blend this out with my sponge. Trying to bring it down the neck. Today I like this foundation, so that's something. Also, I have a coffee. I have the Wet n Wild concealer, obviously Wet n Wild, but I have it in the shade Light Ivory. Have not tried this before. Ooh. I love a new concealer, and then when you like take it out. Okay, this is light enough. I'm just gonna blend out one side first because I don't know how fast it'll dry. So let's go in. It definitely brightened, I wouldn't say. It's a lot of coverage, like compared to Makeup Revolution's $7 concealer, which is only $2 more than this one, or Tarte Shape Tape. I like that concealer. It's good for highlighting under the eyes. It's not like super full coverage, but like I'd say medium. So that's okay. I have this contouring palette with the yellow shade. I don't know if that's too dark for me. Or we also have, obviously, PhotoFocus Pressed Powder, which I absolutely love this thing. I'm going with the yellow one, see what it does. Other places, like my nose and stuff, I'm just going to use the regular PhotoFocus Pressed Powder. For my pressed powders, I really just like to use a dry sponge. But, you know, personal preference. Let's do our eyes next. I have two eyeshadow palettes from Wet n Wild. I have Not a Basic Peach, which looks like this. Cute. And then I also have Rosé in the Air, which looks like this. Little modern renaissance vibes, honestly. So I'm like, Not a Basic Peach, because it has lighter transition shades and whatnot. And I kind of don't know what I'm feeling. Actually, first we need to prime our eyelids. Let's see what it's like with this concealer. That primer, by the way, I did like it because it really got tacky, so then you knew everything was going to stick very nicely to your skin and not slide around. Now, let's set this bitch. We're going to use the pressed powder. For my first shade, I'm going to go in with this light pinky peach shade right here and see what it's all about. It kind of has like some shimmers in there, but we don't care. Oh, she's a peachy queen. I'm going to use my Morphe MB13, and I'm going to go into the orange shade that's directly next to it, this one right here. And I'm just going to start to deepen my crease with that shade. I feel like I haven't done my eyeshadow in so long. Don't know why. To deepen it up even some more, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And just a bullet brush this time. And probably focus this mainly on my outer corner. And blending it into the crease a little. I'm going to pop this gold copper shade right here all over the lid. I'm going to try with no like setting spray or anything and see how that goes. Shade. I've heard that it can be pretty powdery. Yeah. Okay, let's go in. Oh, she's cute. And when I bronze my forehead or like contour it, I'll put my most of it on the outsides, and then I'll kind of just blend whatever else is left on the brush across my forehead, so that way there's no like super harsh lines or anything, just making sure it's all. Let's use for highlighter Golden Flower Crown highlighting brush. I highly recommend the Wet n Wild highlighters if you don't have them already. They're $5 and they're great. I wanted to try their liquid ones, but oh fuck, I put a lot up there. But I just kind of forgot to pick one up. For lips, I got the gel lip liner in, what shade is this? Bear to Comments. Oh, let me take off my chapstick real fast. I know Casey Holmes really loves these, I'm pretty sure. So I got this one. This is in the shade Coral Corruption. It actually reminded me of Kylie Jenner's, what is it? Dirty Peach? Sweet Peach? Dirty Peach. So I bought it. Okay. She's coming together. Still coughing though. I know Casey Holmes really loves these, I'm pretty sure. So I got this one. This is in the shade Coral Corruption. It actually reminded me of Kylie Jenner's, what is it? Dirty Peach? Sweet Peach? Dirty Peach. So I bought it. Okay. She's coming together. For mascara, I got the Max Volume Plus mascara. Oh, that's what the wand looks like. Not used to that. I get the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. If these are both volume mascaras, they have way different ones. Oh. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon eyeliner in black. Baby's got black in my lower lash line. Oh, she's black. She did not come to play. Okay. Oh, if my nose starts running today, I'm going to be pissed off. We can talk about the things that I tried today real fast before I end the video. The primer. The fuck? Okay. It gets the job done, for sure. Fine. I like that it got tacky. The eyeliner Kohl pencil. That's just great. The retractable brow pencil. We all know I like it. I use it quite often. I kind of wish they would make one like the shape of the brow is and not like the brow definer from ABH. Because sometimes I want just a little stick pencil. But I wish it was like this with this formula. Like in one of these little things. The concealer, it was definitely bright enough. I don't have any complaints. It didn't crease. So yeah, we all know how I feel about the foundation most of the time. But today it's looking good. For palette, I really did like this shade under my eyes. It wasn't too yellow or anything, which was very surprising. The contouring palette, the contour shade, kind of reminds me of Hoola, honestly. Hoola for $5, I can't beat that. Highlighters, obviously we all know I like those. The lip liners, I like that they're retractable and they're really smooth. And the eyeshadow palettes, I want to play around with some more. My eye makeup doesn't look bad now, but then again, I also have huge lashes covering it. So who really fucking knows? I really did like this pink shade before I put the other shades on it. So maybe I'll just do like a really light pink eye one day with that. So yeah. This blue one, I really want to try and see what that's all about. This, I think, just might have too much, like, glitter in it to where that's why I really needed the Fix Plus to make it stay down. Because when I used the Rosé and the Air one, this shade went on really smooth and there's, like, no glitter or anything in it. But I want to play around with these some more. Alright, guys. Well, there's my thoughts on the products. And there is a full face, one brand, using all Wet n Wild. I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see more, let me know, even though you guys won't because nobody watches me. But, like, it's okay. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, guys!